All right, I got this cool leaf blower, Ogery cordless leaf blower. Now, I have never seen a leaf blower like this before. I've seen a lot of leaf blowers, but not like this here. Yeah, you got your instruction manual. Tells you everything you need to know. What's all included. Let's see here. So, here's going to be your charging. And you're going to want to charge that up. Okay. Oh, you get 2 batteries. Wow. And they're in nice little cases. 2 batteries. These are nice batteries. They'll even tell you the charge. Fully charged, but they'll probably still need to be charged. That's pretty good. 2 of them. Okay. You got 2 batteries, and these are 21 volts. Lithium batteries, 21 volts. That's pretty cool. Looks like you got, some earplugs. That's because it's probably going to be loud. You've got, looks like you've got 2 different sizes of nozzles to use. That's pretty cool. Okay. What else you got in here? And then you got, now this is what's pretty cool. I like this here. Look at this leaf blower. Now you tell me you've seen a leaf blower like this before. We put all the stuff I don't need. I'm not going to use earplugs back in here. Okay. Oops, I forgot to put that in there. Let's see, you got a light on here. It looks like lights up there. Man, this is pretty cool. Let's see, I'm going to test this. I'm going to test this with this. Well, I want to do a couple different tests, actually. The wife's been wanting me to blow the patio off. Okay, it's fully charged up, or at least it's showing it's fully charged. Look at that, even a light, man. Ooh, that's kind of bright, too. Oh, flashes. Ooh, baby, that blinded me. Ooh, look now. Is that sweet or what? Man, that's pretty cool. So, I'll just snap on there like that. Go right in there. Let's see here. Just snaps right in there. I've got a couple usages, like I say, to use this. If this will work like I'm thinking it of, this is going to be cool. Not no long, bulky ass thing. This is just small, compact. But I'm going to go test this out and see how this will work. It's pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, the wife's been wanting me to blow this stuff off the... No, nowadays, with all these government restrictions and everything, a lot of your leaf blowers and the gas and all that, that's going away. They're all kind of going battery powered nowadays. And one question I get asked in the mining community, the gold prospecting, a lot of times we use these dry washers, and we wonder if a leaf blower is powerful enough to push air up and make these dry washers operate correctly. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hook this up to a larger style dry washer just to see if there's enough power to make this thing work. This will be interesting. So this is a dry washer. If you're not familiar with the dry washer, you've got a fan inside of here that spins. And so the air pushes up in here and it spins this fan up in here. And then it's got a counterweight that throws it off of balance, and that's what causes this thing to shake. And what happens, the material or the dirt comes down here, and because of all this shaking action and the air blown, it causes the heavy gold that's inside of here to drop out and get caught behind these riffles right here. Then you go gold pan this out, and you see if you got any gold. So I'm going to hook this up to this holes and see if this will shake this box. Well, this thing ran for about 15 minutes on the dry washer, and that's still says it's got 2 bars left on it there, and that's without charging it. So I was able to blow off the patio in a couple places and hook it up to that dry washer, and ran for about 15 minutes without even fully charging them up. So if I could get 30 minutes out of that, hey, that's plenty of a run for that dry washer. So tell you what, this is a game changer. So what I'm going to do now is go charge them all up. That just plugs in right there, and then this plugs into the wall. So I'm going to go get these all charged up, and I'll play with this here later on. But hey, I'll tell you what, sweet, 2 batteries, 21 volt, nice. This is a game changer. The only thing I wish it had is just a lock on there, you know, where you can push it down and lock it on, but that's not a big deal. Like I said, I could just use the rope and tighten it down, but it worked fine. Then the lights on here, that's cool at nighttime. You just use it as a regular flashlight if you wanted to, you know. So anyways, I like this here. I'll leave you a link down below if you want to go check them out, where you guys can pick one of these things up. They don't cost a lot of money. They're very inexpensive too. But awesome little product. Go check them out.